and they couldn't believe their eyes. But the part that hit home was that they did not even smell of smoke. And I said, well, Lord, if that is what you could do for these people, then you can do that for me as well, and so much more if you choose to. So that was where I really, really, really started. No matter what was happening around me, and a lot of things were happening, and it felt as if I could just lie down and die, never want to get up. I kept my focus on Jesus Christ, and that was grace alone. And I kept thinking, well, Lord, if they did not even smell of smoke, you can do this for me too. I trust you. You will bring me through the situation. And it doesn't matter. I won't deny you. By the grace of God, please help me. Because without Jesus Christ, I am nothing and I can do nothing.